watching this. My name is Gears of Snore. Taking a ride today. If you thought we were going to Popeyes, you'd be wrong. I'm going to take a ride around the reservoir for Bergen County, New Jersey, and then hit up Piermont Road, ride that up to 9W, swing past the market. A little bit of a different video today. I was sitting last night drinking a couple of libations, playing Destiny 2 with my buddy Johnny, who's also on YouTube. Go check his channel out, Miami Bro channel. It's a lot of boating stuff. But you know, I kind of got the idea. I wanted to make a video as to why I wanted to start making YouTube videos, and I'm sure this is going to be different for everyone else, but you know, it's an interesting idea, and I'd like to see a lot of other channels, not just strictly motorcycle, maybe do a similar video. But yeah, you know, YouTube was kind of my savior during COVID. And then last year, I had colon cancer, and while I was healing up from surgery, waiting to get my staples out, and do chemo, I wanted something to do on the weeks I wasn't in chemo. And then the weeks I was in chemo, you know, I brought my tablet with me, and you know, I watch a bunch of channels. These are in no particular order here, but you know, when I go there for chemo, I'd be there. I'd have to sit for like 4.5 hours while I was getting all the goodness pumped into me. But you know, I like motorcycle and technology, video games, and skateboard content. I'm 50 years old. I've skateboarded since I was 15. It's obviously a lot less now, but you know, I'd bring my tablet, and I'm a big fan of the smaller channels, and that's not a knock at anybody's you know, size. And I'd go in, and I'm sure I've mentioned some of these other channels before, but like, I'd go in and, you know, I'd watch Goofy Bastard or Hudson Moto Visuals, rewatch a bunch of Jersey Bagger stuff, Flying Ride 15, Baggers and Brews, a lot of tri-state stuff, right? As well as a lot of the bigger accounts everybody knows, you know, Shade Tree Surgeon, Blockhead, I go on and on. I also really liked Gears and Gadgets, because dude, he goes over a lot of stuff, and it's pretty badass. But yeah, like, YouTube was my savior. And then, you know, recently I found a couple other channels I like. Let me slow it down, thanks for the heads up. Misplaced Vlogger, Bikes, Beards, and Brews. I'm gonna list all these in the description too, because you know, you should go check out their channels. And then anybody I have in my subscription, if subscriptions rather, if I didn't mention them, please go watch their content as well. But like, YouTube helped me keep my sanity. There's nothing to watch on TV, and I had to do my 6 months from April to September. So you know, like I said, the weeks I was off, I wanted something to do, because I couldn't go do the normal things when you have a compromised immune system. So for me, this was a hobby that I wanted to try, and I'll tell you what, it's pretty friggin' wild once you get sucked in, and you know, you start figuring out how stuff works, rather. You know, I didn't have a huge budget, so like, you know, I use Video Prop Vlogger. It's free software. It's I would say it's just as good as a lot of the stuff you pay for. You know, my camera's an Insta360 RS, which I had bought a purple Panda mic and I couldn't get it to work with it. Then one day found a it almost looked like an extension, male to female, but it had 2 rings on it. I plugged it in, boom, purple Panda mic worked. But yeah, it was I guess, you know, it was kind of something I needed to distract me from everything that was going on. But like, you know, like once I said, once you get sucked in, man, it's crazy. Now you want to figure out how to get better sound and you know, how can I get better angles and this and that, and now I want to upgrade. I'm dying to upgrade to the next Insta360 RS, but I lost my job while I was out doing chemo, and the market for IT is horrendous. I know a woman lost her job a month after I did. She's still out as well looking. But yeah, it's it was insane. I was just you know, kind of taken back at how fun it is. And I see a bunch of people too, they burn out. It stops being fun. I get it. I do. It's a hobby. It's supposed to be fun. Yeah, sorry for sniffling. Friggin' still an allergy hell here. Yeah, this is Piermont Road. This is a pretty nice ride. You can ride this all the way down and then cut up to the market. I'll bring you guys right back when I'm moving again. Thank you. Was nice enough to let me make the left-hand turn instead of keeping me waiting there. Appreciate you, bud. Oh, this line up the middle of the road's fairly new. This is Rockley, New Jersey. I'll try to show you some of these houses. They're insane. I mean, this is, I have horse riding money in my front yard. Good day, Spandex Spartan. I'm out filming this on Saturday, October 12th. The weather's fantastic. 70 degrees, sun's out. Couldn't ask for a nicer day. It's gonna be nice tomorrow. I'll drop this tomorrow. There we go. Is that wild or what? Yeah, I also use, I have my camera mounted to the helmet with a chin mount. If you go on their website, I mean, they have mounts for everything. They have very good instructions. You're supporting a small business. Shipping was fantastic. No complaints. When I retire this helmet, this is a Bell helmet. I'm not too sure which one it is. It's 2 years old, though, and it's getting retired in December. I'll be back on the Chin Mounts website. If you're thinking about doing it, do it. Make your own YouTube channel. Hook your camera up to your helmet. Fiddle it. Figure it out. You know, you look at it 2 ways, too. one, you know, people watch your stuff, they have similar interests like you. Well, you know, they comment on your stuff, you find new places to ride, it's great. And two, it's cloud storage. I'm still trying to figure out how to word the titles correctly to get more views, but you know, it's work in progress. This has only been going on since last summer, so a year for me. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we're moving again. Used to be a park on the right over this overpass of the Palisades and State Parkway, but I don't think you can get up there anymore. Yeah, it's right here. We just entered Sparkill, New York. That actually didn't look that bad if I have the right entrance. This road's great in the summer when it's really hot. It's a lot of shade. Go ahead, you got the right way. If you're thinking about doing it, you have any questions, by all means drop it in the comments. I mean, you know, I can only answer on the stuff I use, but I'd be glad to offer any help that anybody's thinking about doing it. Weeks, go back to breathing normal. Nice vet. Show you guys the market in a minute here. First Sunday of the month, if you want to come to Bikes and Breakfast. This place is packed. Get here early. Fourth Sunday of the month, it's at Pagoda Press in Pagoda. Also a fantastic place. I don't even know what that second bike was. Hey, a bunch of bikes here today. How about that? Yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Drop every Sunday, 4 p.m. Peace.